as I'm emptying my gas tank, I decided to get the metal pieces off the floor that somebody screwed on. And there's my holes. Damn near Flintstone it. Almost. Definitely got some rust to contend with. And then here is what's left of my body mounts. Front body mounts, the rear ones look fine. Look at that. Daylight in there. Ooh, that's ugly. Sure is gonna be nice to have that fixed. Alright, passenger side is all welded in. I got my patch on the side. I still got to seam seal everything. I threw some paint on it just so it wouldn't rust. But I'll probably seam seal everything at once. That's a little wet. You know, I had to bend this piece up and weld it in. It was bad. And there's still a little hole right there that I'm going to deal with later. Yeah, all the big stuff is done. I've even got body mounts now on this side. Like I said, I still need to seam seal everything and then paint it again. Yeah, coming along, coming together. All right, time for some floor pan work. Already got the passenger side pretty much knocked out. Don't pay attention to the door. Doors will come later, this winter or something. Got to start cutting out. Well, first I need to make a patch panel for that, and then connect these two. I'm gonna cut this off, and I'll probably cut this off right here and connect it. So I can get some good metal right there. Start cleaning everything up. I think I'll clean that up first, then I'll make a template, cut out the metal, and then I can patch that. Just for today, we're just patching this part and adding in that so I can get the cab mount put on, and then I'll do the floor. If that makes any sense. Alrighty, let's get to work. Alright, got that hole patched. Not perfect, but function over form, right? Now I can cut the body mount. I need to cut the body mount because it's got too much material on this side. Get that in here, and then I can get this new ledge in there so I know what the curve is. The body mount should help me determine that. If not, I can throw the floor pan in and just trace the side or something. I don't know. I'll figure it out to get that patch piece in. Alright. Things are starting to come together. Awesome possum. Well, driver's side is becoming a bit more of a challenge than the passenger side was, which, I kind of knew to begin with, but problem is these cheap ass body mounts and floor pans I bought off eBay, everything was like 18 bucks a pop. So I didn't expect greatness. It's just kind of a pain in the ass, but I'll get it. I got a welder and a hammer. It's just sheet metal. I'll get it together. I'm getting the floor pan mocked in. Cut that whole side off. Cut off the top. I'm gonna need to cut more off the top. There's a hole right there and then a couple little holes. I'm just gonna patch those individually instead of running that all the way up and having to re-drill all those holes and stuff. Still gotta drop down that side a bit more. Yeah, it'll get there. It'll get there. Alrighty, back to work. Alright, so I got everything lined up and cleaned up pretty good. And I've started welding her in. I replaced that piece is right here. I meant to get some video or something before I started doing this, but I forgot. Yeah, all trimmed up, ready to go, cleaned up. Let's get to welding. So while I was welding here, I tried to skip around as much as I could. I'd only weld about a couple inches at a time or an inch just to help prevent warping. And I had my hammer close by and to put metal where I needed it to be, and I also would clean things off. This is all overlapped. It's not butt welded, which, you can tell. You can see it when it's done. But like I said, this isn't a show truck. This is my work truck. I just wanted it fixed to be able use your phone. I just want it fixed to be able to be usable. So there you go. There's the welder. She's working good. I haven't used it this much in years, but it's good. I was wondering why there's always car noise in the background. The highway is right there. So it sucks. It's my parts table. Well, that'll do it, guys. Here's some pictures. This is kind of the start of the passenger side, all Flintstoned out. I do have some more video, but it's pretty much of just me welding. And there's only so much fast-paced welding one can take. Here we go. This is what it looks like finished with the rhino lining. I didn't take any video of me rhino lining. That's about as fun as watching paint dry, so that's cool. And then the next one here is kind of before and after. You know, much improvement. And so I really like how it turned out. It's very good. It's a little warm in there, but it's alright. This is with the seat in and everything. In the next video we'll be putting her back together. The front half. Here's a little teaser for you. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.